we were young, chased by the sun, feeling the tide rise. Sometimes I wanna go back. Just wanted you to know that.
Oi. So where are we going today?
Munduk. I'm so excited. Wanted to go there since we got to Bali. We're finally going.
Yeah, it rained last time, eh?
Yeah. Yeah, I think it looks like it's nice out today. It's gonna be really good. I'm so excited. See some waterfalls, staying in a really nice Airbnb. Gotta get out of bed and get ready. We've just stopped for lunch and we are at the base of the mountains at the moment, and it's a little bit cooler here. It's so nice. It feels more like Canadian summer. What do you think?
A bit worried because I didn't bring any warm clothes.
I warned him. This is amazing. We just arrived in Munduk. It is absolutely beautiful. It's everything that I pictured and imagined. I've wanted to come here since we got to Bali. It's a lot cooler up here. The drive-in was just absolutely amazing. Our camera stopped working on the way up, unfortunately, so we didn't get to capture as much of the drive as I would have liked, but I got to enjoy it, and hopefully on the way down we'll get to capture a little bit more to share with you guys. But you got to check out this view. we're just about to go hike down. It's about 600 meters down to 2 different waterfalls. At the end of the staircase, the Airbnb host said that if you turn left, there's one big waterfall, and if you turn right, there's another. So we're gonna go check them both out and see if we can get some cool drone shots. We just got all the way down almost to the waterfall and we realized we didn't bring any money and it costs 20,000 IDR per person to see the waterfall, but luckily they're gonna let us pay at the hotel or the Airbnb that we're staying at and just pay to them. So we got lucky. We almost had to just walk back without even seeing the waterfall. I was so off it, but we're almost there.
Since we were young, chased by the sun, feeling the tide rise. Sometimes I wanna go back. Just wanted you to know that. You to know that
it's absolutely incredible here. We've had the whole thing to ourselves for like half an hour and no one else is coming. Can't complain. It's so beautiful here. Definitely come to Munduk.
Just not looking forward to the walk up.
No.
It's about 600 meters and it's all uphill stairs.
Let's do it. We just had our dinner delivered to us with this beautiful view. Oh my goodness, this is the most peaceful place I have ever been to. We're gonna eat our dinner, we're gonna enjoy the sunset, and then we're gonna get up for sunrise tomorrow and hopefully get some even better drone shots than we did tonight. Woke up in Munduk and the sun is shining again. We're so lucky with the weather lately. Just had our breakfast delivered. We're having banana pancakes and orange juice this morning. So this morning we're just going to be exploring around Munduk, and then later on we're going to be heading to Lavina. We're staying on the beach there, and then gonna check out the black sand beach and see what's around Lavina, and hopefully get to do a fire on the beach this evening. So this Airbnb was about $27 US a night, and it included breakfast, and it had this amazing view. Highly recommend it. We'll leave it down in the description if you're interested in staying here. We aren't affiliates or anything, we just like sharing what we're up to. So if you want to stay here when you are in Munduk, if you want to stay here while you're in Munduk, definitely book this place. It's awesome. Ready to go?
Yep.
Let's do it.
You're right about the phone.
What is that?
You're right blowout times.
Oh.
Next blowout's going to be permanent.
Yeah, they've... How many times have they blown out now?
3 or 4, but yeah. I bet you it'll happen when I don't have my spares on.
Yeah. Which is now?
Yeah.
We just arrived at Handara Golf Course to get some footage of the famous archway or famous gateway, and then we're gonna head inside and just see what it's all about. It was about 20,000 IDR to come in, and there's been lots of people going in, so we're gonna go see what's inside because we've only ever seen the gateway.